Artificial intelligence is moving beyond the screen. We are transitioning from AI that simply generates images and videos to AI that builds entire interactive worlds. Alibaba has just unveiled Happy Oyster, a groundbreaking world model that transforms text prompts into playable 3D environments. Today, we explore how this technology is blurring the line between imagination and reality. Happy Oyster is not just another video generator. It is a world model. While traditional AI creates fixed video clips, Happy Oyster simulates real-world physics, gravity, and lighting in real time. It features two distinct modes: directing mode, where you act as a filmmaker controlling a continuous physical world, and wandering mode, which allows you to step inside and explore the environment from a first-person perspective. The technical achievement here is remarkable. Instead of producing a pre-rendered file, Happy Oyster stays active. It continuously listens to your voice or text prompts, updating the environment as you move. Whether it's changing the weather or moving an object, the model calculates the physical response instantly. This is the difference between watching a movie and living inside a simulation. This marks a new frontier for content creators. Happy Oyster represents the bridge between generative AI and game engines like Unreal Engine. For the first time, AI can maintain object permanence, meaning the world stays consistent as you explore it. This multimodal control allows users to use text, voice, or images to direct a scene as it evolves. The potential applications are vast. In film production, it allows for real-time storyboarding. In gaming, it could enable infinite worlds, where the map is generated based on your choices. Most importantly, it empowers creators to prototype complex ideas without needing an entire CGI studio. We are moving toward a future where everyone can be an architect of their own digital reality. Happy Oyster is a glimpse into the next phase of our digital evolution, from static content to interactive experiences. As technology becomes more powerful, our role as creators becomes more vital. To stay informed on the breakthroughs defining our future, subscribe to Edgeverse Intelligence. Master the technology of tomorrow, today.